Welt is a chocolate lover. One day, he wanted to buy Hershey's chocolate in the store as usual. However, he came up empty this time. The shop manager apologized to him due to the delay in the manufacture of chocolate. Then, he returned empty-handed and called his friend Robin, who works for Hershey's, to find out what was going on. Robin explained that product management is not easy. She said that the chocolate products must go through 3 key phases: materials management, production planning, as well as sales and distribution before it reaches the customers. First, everything starts from purchase requisition in order to do proper materials management at Hershey's. The purchasing department will acquire the core ingredients needed for chocolate, such as cocoa, sugar, palm, egg, and others. Hershey sources its raw materials from various suppliers all over the world. Cocoa is the main ingredient of chocolate. Its origin comes from Brazil, Cameroon, Colombia, and other 8 countries. These global suppliers have to pass multiple quality assessments from Hershey's based on sustainability certifications, good safety and quality, delivery reliability, and so on. After approved, Hershey's establishes a long-term relationship with vendors and issues purchase order notices for the required ingredients. The purchase order has specified information such as material, quantity, price, and delivery time. Suppliers will ship the ordered materials once they receive purchase orders. As the trucks unload bags of cocoa beans and sugar into Hershey's plant, each delivery is checked to ensure that goods are intact and the quantities in the inventory system match with the statement in purchases orders. This process is considered as goods receipt. In the next stage, Hershey's will receive the invoices sent by suppliers. Each invoice carries details such as order number, shipment number, quantity, unit of measure, and price based on purchase orders made. Payment shall be made by Hershey's in accordance with the standard payment terms of 120 days. Once payment is made, the transaction will be recorded in a financial document, and the material management process is completed. Robin continuously illustrated that it was time for chocolate products to be processed from raw materials, including the processes of production planning, forecasting, master production schedule, MPS/material requirements plan, MRP, confirmation, goods receipt, and order settlement. Remember, production always starts with a production order. Hershey's needs to determine the bill of materials and material requirements for each chocolate product. First, the company's CEO, CFO, and marketing director will discover marketing strategies and monitor the performance of Hershey's global outlets. Then, Hershey's develops the capacity plan, production plan, and sales plan according to historical sales demand and current market trend. Notably, Hershey's will additionally forecast the seasonal peak in demand for chocolate during Valentine's Day, Easter, and Halloween. Moreover, MPS and MRP are the key components in detailed planning. MPS allows Hershey's to schedule the materials and quantities needed for production at a specific time whereas MRP calculates net requirements. Hershey's can initiate the production plan if the materials are sufficient or otherwise executes purchase plan. These help Hershey's avoid risks like additional warehousing costs due to overproduction or missing out on customers due to insufficient product. Afterwards, Hershey's calculates the time and capacity required for all operations and checks availability for the components, production tools, and capacity. If available, the manufacturing team will conduct the production of chocolate consisting of major steps such as mixing, molding, and packaging. During production, the raw materials are issued from the warehouse to manufacture the final product of chocolate. Hershey's monitors product quality daily. If the chocolate is defective, the machine returns and rejects it. Finally, the finished product is shipped to Hershey's stores around the world. Hershey's will generate material documents, accounting documents, and control documents. Meanwhile, Hershey's will identify the actual costs to make sure the target production costs are not exceeded. Now, Welt was getting more interested after listening to Robin talk about product management. He asked for extra knowledge in sales and distribution. Robin kept elaborating that customers can buy chocolates through official shops, licensed shops, or online shops. Hershey's will send the business-to-business B2B customer a quotation for each inquiry and preserve multiple customer master data for each customer. Customer master data contains all customer information, such as credit limits, that can be used to categorize them into different groups based on their purchase habit. In addition, all Hershey stores are centrally managed by a supply chain management system that minimizes inventory costs and ensures efficient production. Hershey's applies just-in-time (JT) inventory systems supported by enterprise resource planning (ERP), tools like SAP to schedule and track store inventory. Hershey's will check the inventory availability in the inventory system before issuing sales orders to customers. After that, Hershey's will deliver the ordered chocolate products to customers within 1 to 5 business days transit time as scheduled, which depends on location. Once goods are received by customers, a billing document is generated by copying data from the sales order and delivery document. Customers are required to make the payment according to the specific billing method in the agreement within a tolerable period. Robin concluded that making chocolate is a long journey which begins with the buying of high-quality ingredients from global suppliers. Production management involves planning and strategic forecasting of the output to meet market demands at minimum costs by effective allocation of resources. Sales and distribution are perfectly organized to ensure timely deliveries with lean inventory. This complex process highlights the challenges of product management in the chocolate industry so that customers like Welt can enjoy a consistent and delightful chocolate experience. After the presentation, Welt is no longer frustrated. He appreciated Robin's thorough explanation of the difficulties in product management. At the end, Welt didn't forget to ask Robin to bring a package of kisses for him. Robin promised. The story is end. Thanks for your watching.